Okay, little mouse is turning 5 and we're going to make her a birthday cake. The ingredients are in the recipe box below. It's basically a make and dump cake and we're cooking it in 3 separate little containers. We've got a tiny one, middle-sized one and quite a large one. They've all been greased and lined on the base with baking paper. We're going to sift all of our dry ingredients, which are flour, salt, bicarb soda or baking soda, and baking powder. Sift all those in with our cocoa, lots of cocoa there. Sugar goes in now. Okay, just mix it all around and make sure it's all well incorporated. And now we're going to mix our wet ingredients. Pop it in there and then we're just going to put it into the stand mixer because we need to beat it for a couple of minutes on medium speed. And I can't physically bring the big stand mixer over here at the moment, so you're going to have to trust me on that one. Now, all of our wet ingredients go in now and we're just going to wazzy them up, starting with our eggs. Our pure vanilla extract, lots of that lovely flavour there. Our coffee can go in now, a strong coffee, oil, and 2 cups of buttermilk. Now this is going to be an extremely wet mix, but don't worry about that. It just looks like pancake batter when it goes in actually. We're going to mix it for 2 minutes, scrape down the sides and give it 1 more minute. So, all our ingredients now, just go straight in there. And you know what, I'm using the big mixer. It's a lot, isn't it? Okay, I've got mountains of mixture here. I'll pour most of it into the big pan because that's the base of my little cake. See how really, really runny it is? Some into my little cake tin and some into my ring cake tin. And the balance can go back into the other big tin. Now, this is oodles and oodles and oodles of cake mix here. And we're going to cook it 170 degrees or 350 degrees Fahrenheit. The big one will take about 35 minutes and the little ones will take about 25 minutes. Okay, into the oven we go.
The cake is cooked when it's soft and springy to the touch. Allow it to cool for a short time before turning it out onto a wire rack. Now, the second cake in the middle is hollow and we fill that up with M&Ms or Smarties or any sort of candy that you like. This is actually a double batch and I will post the ingredient in the single batch method and you will find that you'll have 2 20cm or 2 8-inch cakes out of a single batch. And I hope you enjoyed this little cooking presentation of Cheekyricho Cooking's World's Easiest Chocolate Cake. If you'd like to see more interesting recipes and ideas, just check out our Cheekyricho Cooking channel and don't forget to please subscribe and do come back and visit us again soon. We have so much more to show you and we're uploading lots of videos, and thank you very much for watching. Have a great day.